Hey guys, alright, so welcome back to my channel. If you're new and you like this video, smash that like button and please subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. Today I'm doing another makeup tutorial and I'm going to do like a Q&A after. So first of all, I went to Walgreens yesterday and I just want you all to know you don't have to spend tons of money to look good. Now, clearly, I still have makeup on from yesterday. Again, I forgot to take it off. I'm so horrible. But I did buy some makeup wipes. And I don't know if you guys can see them. But it's from Studio 35 Beauty. You know, they weren't that expensive. They were definitely under $5. You know, and I'm going to try them out right now. Oh, right here. So I'm going to just remove the makeup off my face so I can reapply makeup and look better. So let's see how good these work. I already lotioned my face because I always lotion it before I put any kind of concealer on it. These are for sensitive skin too because I do have sensitive skin. But I will show you in a minute the lotion that I used for my face. Wow, these really do work. I'm surprised. Almost done here with one eye. And then with one eye, oh my god, I look crazy. But this is the lotion that I used. It's Gold Bond Ultimate Healing with aloe in it. Again, not that expensive. So, yeah. It actually works really well. I would recommend these. So, we'll do a scale from 1 to 5. These are definitely a 5. Definitely. I recommend these. It got the mascara off, and like the mascara that I use is like waterproof, so it's very difficult. And again, in my other video, like I use my finger sometimes too. I feel like my finger removes more than anything. Okay, so I'm done now. Completely no makeup on my face. Alright, I did go out also because in my last video I was explaining to you guys how my foundation wasn't the right color for my face because I had tanned so much, and you guys can't tell, but I'm a lot darker now than I was over in the winter. So I bought from CoverGirl because I don't know, I've used this since high school and I love CoverGirl. So but this one's a buff beige. Alright, a 525. And I also bought the powder. The same thing, buff beige. See, I got the powder. The buff beige. Because that's what I was missing last time, if you guys remember in my video. I didn't have this. And you can't do your makeup without it. Oh, touched it. And this is like, let me throw this out. This is like, you know, compact, and it comes with a little mirror, and then the powder down on the bottom. Like, I love these little things. Completely, absolutely love them. And, you know, the little thing, the little sponge that it comes with, you know, fits right in. No problems, nothing. So I think what we're going to start doing... Oh, and I also bought this from CoverGirl, So Lashy Blast Pro Mascara. I'm going to try that today and see how it works. Because I was going to buy fake eyelashes. Because I really like that style. Like, thick eyelashes. Because mine, they're a little long, but they're not so thick. So I was really contemplating on buying the fake eyelashes. But Then you gotta get the glue, and like I've never done it, so this is crazy. This is really like different. So I guess it goes like this, and then like you just, I don't know, this is nuts. We'll figure this out when we get there. Alright, so yeah, first I'm gonna put on my liquid foundation. I don't know, I always smell everything before I use it. I hope this is darker. I mean, it's definitely darker than what I had, but I hope it works. And again, I use my finger for this part, and I do the bottom of my chin so that I don't have that line. I absolutely hate that line. And guys, this is a perfect color. I did good. This is a win. Perfect. You know, I hate wearing this stuff in the summer just because, like, I sweat a lot because it's really hot. And I feel like my makeup is, like, melting off of my face, and then I feel like I wasted product and time and energy. But at the same time, like, I want to look nice, you know? I don't want to just look nice in the winter and look like shit in the summer. You know, that absolutely sucks. Yeah, this is a good color. It's not too light. I use too much, so I'll tell you that. I gotta learn little. Oh, I didn't do my chapstick either on my lips. I always forget that. I don't know why. Alright, and then my chin I just wrote down. Just to get, you know, I hate that line. But this one might not have even had a line because it's actually the perfect color. I did good. I'm proud of myself. This one's definitely more of my color than the other one. And then watch in the winter, I'll lose my tan and it'll go back to the other one. So it's fine. Alright, let me wash my hands. Fix my lip. You know, us women are so lucky. We can just apply makeup and fix everything. Hide all of our flaws. Alright, I am going to put the chapstick on right now just because it kind of protects my lips. And it's good. And again, I use Chap Ice. It's watermelon. It's cheap as hell from like the dollar store, and it tastes phenomenal. I know you're not supposed to eat it, but I mean it tastes so good. All right, now we're gonna apply the powder. Cover up. Okay. Now, I'm also drinking Java Monster Locomoca. This is like the most banging shit ever. I love it. Okay, now we're gonna be doing eyeshadow. Now, clearly, powder on me. I'm wearing black and white shorts. I'm not going anywhere extravagant, so like I'm not dolled up. Oh, I did buy a new eyeshadow brush from Walgreens, and it was only $2 or something. So I grabbed it because in the last video I used my fingers. I didn't have one, but I got a new one, so I don't have to use my fingers. I mean, if you want to use your fingers, you can. It really doesn't matter in my eyes because I've done it forever. I never used to use brushes. I didn't use brushes until I got a little bit older, and I don't know. I started like experimenting with makeup, and now I prefer brushes. But Right now I'm using like a purple, which I bought this at CVS. I'm sorry, CVS has a really nice makeup supply line. It is really expensive, but I mean, you could find things that are on sale, and I always go in there when things are on sale and I buy them. But this actually, yeah, came from CVS, and it's like a really nice purple. And I think if you have blue eyes, I just think it brings it out. And like, I hope you guys can tell the color on here. It looks like it's just white. No, that ain't gonna work. Here we go. If I back up, it's like a purple. You guys see that? Okay. Now, what do I want to do on top? I'm going to do the little pink with glitter on top. So, I mean, it just, basically the reason why I put eyeshadow on the way top up by my eyebrow is I like to put eyeliner on the top of my eyes. And if you don't put any kind of eyeshadow there, as the day goes on and you sweat, the eyeliner actually goes onto your face by your eyebrow, and that's no good. You get it like a line. And I learned that in middle school, actually. So the eyeshadow protects it so that that doesn't happen. I don't know if you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. I hope I like worded it correctly or whatever. But this is like a really cute light pink, and it's got glitter in it. So I have purple on my eyes and then pink on the top. And again, I don't think you guys can see that. So now I'm going to put eyeliner on. And I use the Fine Line Ebony Black, same one as last time. I prefer, I gotta do it up here. I prefer markers. And I just do a very small line at the top. Like that. Sometimes I do the cat eyes. Not always. I'm not going to today because, like I said, I'm really not going anywhere fancy. And I don't know. I'll do the cat eyes in another video, I promised. Alright, so that's the top. And then I do the bottom. So yeah, after this video, I'm going to do a Q&A. So you guys can get to know me a little bit better. Again, if you guys are new to this channel, please subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss anything. Alright, now, oh, I got eyeliner on my finger, of course. Now, we're going to try out this mascara. So, the directions say, I've never had to read directions for mascara. This is completely, totally new for me. Apply with the brush side and rotate and apply with ball tip. So I normally stick it in and I'll do like this. When you first open mascara. Alright, so I apply. This is so weird. It's like a brush. This is so neat. And it makes them so long, like it brushes them out. I don't know if you guys can see. And then you use the ball. Oh, I see what the ball's for. That is awesome. It pulls up your corner eyelashes, so it makes you look like you have more. You know, it goes all the way up. Oh, that is so awesome. I like this. Absolutely. I would give this a 5 as well. Wow. Wow. That is awesome. My eyelashes are like phenomenal right now. They look like they're fake. They do. This stuff does exactly what it says it does. It looks like I have extra eyelashes. That is so nice. Alright, now I'm just going to do the bottom real quick. And there's a brush, like it's a brush, so it actually like brushes them out, which is cool. Yeah, people are always like, how do you do your left eye with your right hand? I have been doing my makeup for so long like this. I don't know how to do my makeup with my left hand. I do everything with my right, even though... Oh, I got it on my face. I got it on my face. I don't know, I prefer my right hand. Alright, so that was the tutorial. My makeup is all done. I think I look phenomenal. I'm not conceited at all. Now I just gotta do my hair. My hair will be for another video. I have really long, like it's getting really long, but it's a little thin. I've been buying volume conditioner. I actually chopped off all my hair. It was like down to my shoulders. Because my hair was just it was falling out really, really, really bad, and I had no choice. So I basically shaved it all off, and this is the outcome of it growing back. And honestly, like, it grew back so healthy and so nice. I love it. I also bought this exfoliating bubble mask. It's charcoal. I'm going to try that tonight. Maybe I'll do another vlog, and I see I have black on my hand. Maybe, or not a vlog. Maybe I'll do another video with my mask and rate it. That sounds like a good idea. So yeah, when I use the mask, I'll do a video of it and we'll rate it and we'll see if, you know, it's recommendable or not. Alright guys, so that was the makeup tutorial. I will see you in my next clip with the Q&As. I do have somewhere to go right now. Maybe I can film some of it. We'll see. And I'll bring you guys along if I can. We're going to some kind of restaurant. I don't know where. Alright guys, I love you and I will see you in my next clip. Mwah.